What? Welcome back to my channel. I'm in my car, clearly, because I had nowhere else to film this video and I really wanted to get it up. Actually, really wanted to film it, not necessarily get it up. I don't know what I'm saying, but I look like shit, like I always do. So I'm going to be opening up the Celestial Storm booster box. No, I wish this was a booster box, but I'm a broke bitch. I can't afford a booster box, but what I can afford is an Elite Trainer box. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to open it up. Should have opened it up a second ago. So like I said, I am in my car. So the sun is like right in my face. I'm at a park. So if you see people on bikes or if you just see me looking really weird or awkward, that's why. So there's people driving by, people walking, people on bikes. And this is actually where I play Pokemon Go and on like community day to catch the shiny Pokemon, which apparently I suck at because I only caught like 5, 6, 7 EVs and everybody else caught like 30. So here's the sleeve you can't really see because the sun is bright as shit. But here is the little sleeve thing with the posters inside. Here's the pamphlet. I'm not going to go through it. And the only reason why I buy Elite Trainer boxes is for the sleeves. I'm broke as shit, can't afford a booster box, and for the packs. I don't really care about the dice or dividers and all that crap that it comes with. Your girl just cares about the packs. I got the packs. Make sure there's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope there's something good because my last Forbidden Light Elite Trainer box, it was okay. But yeah, I've seen some people get the Celestial Storm booster box, or god damn it, the Elite Trainer boxes, and they get nothing. So I hope to God I did not waste my money and buy nothing. So we're gonna get started and open this up, if you can see. So pack number 1. If I can open these, I am terrible at opening these. Everyone makes it look so easy, and my bitch ass struggles. Okay. Here's the code card. I don't know if you can see. Well, since it's sunny, I'm not going to do the code cards on my videos, so follow me on Instagram and I will post code cards if you want code cards, and I will have my Instagram down below. 1, 2, 3, 4. And don't want the energy card, so ooh, don't turn in here, don't turn in here, don't turn in here. Thank you. GG, bye. So there's a Plusle, Pelipper, Solar Rock, Seedot, Beldum, Shuppet, Mudkip, Torchic, a Baltoy, and a Registeel. I don't know where to put all these cards. Up my butt, I guess. Trash. Pack number 2. It's upside down. Hi, Mr. Biker. Ooh. Why does everyone make pack openings so easy? And I cannot open them to save my life. Alright. Here is the code card. Why do I keep doing that? I forget I'm not showing the code cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't need the energy. So we have a Beast Ball, a Rainbow Brush, Tropius, Sneasel, Shuppet, Mudkip. Ooh, hello. Quick break. Okay, literally, that dude sat here for like 5 minutes, did nothing, just sat in his car and chilled. But here we go from where I left off. We have a Beldum, a Wailmer, a Lunala, and a Grumpig. I keep dropping everything. How many packs I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next pack with Rayquaza on it. Rayquaza, another man on the bike. Why so many people come here with bikes? Okay, you could literally not drive any slower. Literally. Don't park beside me. Do not park beside me. God damn it, another green code card. That's the shit. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna wait till this man gets out of his car. Because I don't want him looking at me like I'm a psycho. I wish, like, I could make the camera, like, not in the sun, but if I do it that way, you can't see shit. Suck it. We have a Marstop Solo Rock. I'm trying to do it to where you can see, but the only way you can see is if I do it like that. Dawn Fan, Spinnerack, Larvitar, Slack Off, Love Disc. Ooh, you can't literally see the cards at all. Electrike, except for right here. Hi. A Dunsparce. It's really hard. And a Regirock. Open these packs here. I'm normal. I'm just chilling in my car. Why is there all of a sudden 2 men on a bike, and there was one just a second ago that came from the same truck? They still have yet to get on the bike. Get on the bikes, goddammit. They literally have the bikes on the ground and they're standing there. I don't understand people. So we have a Loudred, whatever. Energy recycle system. I can't speak. Shrine of Punishment. Torchic. Meditate, whoever. Chinchou. Gulpin. Cacnea. Pokénav. Literally, I don't have words. A full art Lycia trainer card. Holy mama. I don't have any full art trainer cards of any sort. Holy mama. I'm going to put that down. Put it in the sleeve when I'm done. Because they're on the floor. Holy mama. The next pack is Stakataka, which who the fuck comes up with the Pokemon names for Ultra Beast for any sort of Pokemon? Like, what the hell is a Stakataka besides an Ultra Beast? What kind of name is that? Stakataka. Like, you could have just named it literally anything else besides that. Ooh. Next one. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And we don't care about the energy. Hello. Don't be my mom. Okay, thank you, bye. So we have a Nuzleaf, a TV Reporter, Dunsparce, a Alolan Rattata, which I really like this artwork on the Alolan Rattata. It's my fave. We have a Slackoth, a Surskit, Slugma, Larvitar, Weepin' Bell, and a Celestia Hollow. Celestia. I have 3 packs left. It seems like I've done 20 packs because everyone and their mom wants to interrupt me. So we have Jirachi, artwork. Like, I really want the Mr. Mime card, but everyone and their mom seems to not want that card. I don't necessarily want it because I don't play, like, the card game. I just really like the artwork on it, so that's the card I really want. Probably won't get, but that's the card I want. So we have a Vigoroth, Nuzleaf, Friendball, Seedot, Wingull, Spoink, Chinchou, Onyx, Loudred, I don't know how you say that, bitch. And then a Banette. We have a Loreball. Can you see? Probably not. Rainbow Energy. Gorbis, Spinnerack, Bygone, another one, Shuppet, Mudkip, Ooh, a Prism Star Latios. And a clay doll. So last pack. Hopefully I can get something good. Maybe. I don't know, but either way, if I don't, I'm still happy that I pulled a full art trainer card, because again, I don't have one. And then hopefully I can turn the air on because it's hot AF in my car. And we don't care about the energy card. So we have a Life Herb. This is like the worst video ever. Sky Pillar. Torkoal. Cacnea. Love Disc. Trico. Skitty. Surskit. What? A Pokey Nav. Holy mama. So let me get all of my pulls here. Holy mama. I was not expecting that. I was expecting that light code to be like a holo or literally anything else besides that. Holy crap. I'm gonna get the sleeves. Where are they? And sleeve up my cards. I'm gonna show you what your girl got. Turn on the mother. Now I have everything sleeved up, I'm gonna, so we pulled the Stila Hollow, I don't know how you say this one. We got the Hollow card, we got the Latios Prism Star card, we got the Pokey Nav, holy shit, and the Liza Alicia. I was literally just saying this the other day to myself. I was talking to myself, I'm weird. But I haven't ever seen anyone pull this. I'm not saying no one has pulled it. Like this specific card, everyone I've seen gets like Bill's Maintenance or the Apricot Maker one, apricot, whatever. But I haven't seen anyone pull this. Holy shit. Yeah, that is my very awkward, weird video. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment. Again, if you want the code cards, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram will be down below. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day. And I'll see you in my next video.